Hi, everybody. I'm Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team. And we're starting Moments of Joy to intro you to tips, tricks, and little updates that you might have missed every week.
Now, in this series, we'll talk about something we've got going on this week or some new development. We actually just got back from TPI Rocks in Orlando, Florida, where we got to meet hundreds of advisors. It was really amazing to hear everybody's stories and see how they use TravelJoy. We had laptops out, we were doing demos, and one thing that actually kept coming up a few times as we were showing off our new itinerary copilot was that people wanted the ability to delete multiple images at once on an itinerary item.
And boy, do we have some good news. This is actually a feature we released earlier this year, so I'm happy to show you how to do this. So, starting from your itinerary, I have a nice cruise that has been imported here. I'm going to scroll down to one of these items where I want to remove photos. This dining on Celebrity Summit looks pretty good. We've got quite a few in here. So, I'll scroll down on the item until we find those photos. Whoop, there we go. And if you want to bulk delete items, all you have to do is hover over that photo and click it. You'll see a gray overlay. If you want to delete photos one by one, you can use that red X that appears there. But once you start seeing that shading, you can head on down to the very bottom here, choose to delete 4 images, and away they go. So pretty nice and simple.
That's what this series will be for. We want to make sure you find big features, small features, things you might not have seen when they got released. If you've got ideas or you have things you want to see, let us know. But we will be back with another quick little demo next week. See you then.